In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset OneDrive in just 3 minutes. This process is both straightforward and efficient, and by the end of this video, you'll have your OneDrive reset and ready to go. Our first step is to access the OneDrive app. If you're using a desktop or a laptop, you'll need to locate the OneDrive icon. It might be right on your desktop screen or perhaps hidden in your Start menu. Opening the app is our gateway to addressing any issues you've been encountering with OneDrive. Once you have the OneDrive app open, you'll want to click on Open Folder. This step is crucial because it takes us directly to the source where all our files are stored and synced, from our device to the cloud. By accessing the folder, we can ensure that we are directly interacting with our stored data. Now, moving a bit deeper into the settings, click on Sync and Backup. This area is designed to give you control over how your files are synchronized across your devices and backed up to OneDrive. It's here that you can manage the nitty-gritty details of your file storage preferences. Our next step is to click on Manage Backup. This is integral to resetting your OneDrive because it allows you to choose what you want to keep backed up or even stop things from being backed up, to start afresh. Think of it as organizing your virtual file cabinet, deciding what's important to keep and what isn't serving you anymore. While going through these steps, remember that resetting OneDrive can significantly improve your user experience by clearing out unnecessary clutter or rectifying syncing issues. However, a word to the wise: ensure you have backups of your important documents elsewhere before conducting a reset. The last thing you'd want is to lose something invaluable in the process. As you navigate through this, take your time to familiarize yourself with the different sections and settings within the OneDrive app. OneDrive is designed to be user-friendly, offering you as much customization and control over your digital space as possible. The aim here isn't just to guide you through a reset, but also to make you more comfortable and effective in managing your files in the cloud. Resetting OneDrive can be a simple yet effective way to troubleshoot common issues or achieve a cleaner, more organized digital space. By following the steps outlined today: opening the app, accessing your folder, managing your sync and backup settings, and finally managing your backup preferences, you're on the right track to a more efficient cloud storage system. Remember, the goal here is to improve your OneDrive user experience, making it more seamless and integrated into your daily digital routine. With these steps, you've got the power to customize and reset your OneDrive, ensuring it serves you in the most optimized way possible. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of resetting your OneDrive. Feel free to replay and pause at any point as you follow these steps on your own device.